Hi, this is Craig with MobileMonkey, and today we're going to be talking about audiences. We're going to give you an overview of what audiences are, how you can use them, and then we're going to create some audiences. Let's get going. Alright, so when you first log into your dashboard, you're going to have this menu on the left, and to get to audiences, you want to choose Audience Insights, and then you have the Audience tab here, or you have the Audience box here. So we're going to click on that, and this is going to show all the different audiences. So you can have multiple audiences based on different types of information that you collect in your bot. And let me show you how you create an audience. Alright, so we're going to name our audience Test Audience. And we're going to click on this button here. And we have two options. If you have the Pro version, you're able to send messages to an audience that fits inside the 24+1 rule, and that's something that you can read more about. We have other videos on that. And then this is the attribute section where you'll create your audience. So we're going to click this one, and you've got a couple options. You have attributes, and then you have operators, and then you have values. So for example, if I wanted to create an audience of everybody who signed up after this date, I could put this back to January 1st, I could create that audience, and then I'm only going to get those people. If I click this, I can say less than. And if I click on the attributes, it's going to give me all these different things that I can create an audience from. Alright, so let's choose free ticket. So we're going to choose free ticket, we're going to choose equal to, and then when we click on this value, this is going to show the options that people actually clicked on when they went through the bot. So for example, this is right here. 3 people said right here. So we're going to click right here, and then we're going to hit save. So as you're going to see, those 3 people showed up right here because they actually tapped on the right here option. So now let me actually show you what that looks like. If we go into our bot builder, into the dialogues, and we go down to free ticket, get your free ticket. So this is the dialogue, and it says raise your hand if you want a free ticket. We're creating an attribute here of free ticket. That's the attribute that we created the audience on. And now we have an option here of right here. So everyone that clicked right here, they get assigned to this attribute, and then we can build the audience. So anytime you want to create an audience, you just have to make sure and choose an attribute. And you always have to choose an attribute if you're using the quick question widget. So for example, this is category. So which category would you place yourself in? So if I wanted an audience of everyone that said they're an agency, I could go back here to audience, and then I can say new audience, and I can type agencies, and I can add the attribute of category equal to agency. Save. So now I've got an audience of everyone that said they're an agency. So as you can see, you want to figure out what's the information that you want to get from your users, so you can segment them to give them the information that's going to be most relevant to them. So if you go to Lead Magnet or Marketing Automation here and you choose Chat Blaster, Chat Blaster is going to ask you what audience do you want to send this to. So that's again where the audience comes from. If you go into Drip Campaigns, again, it wants to know what type of message you're going to send and what audience you're going to send it to. Now here you can actually include audience and exclude audiences. And then one more thing, if you go here, you've got all your lists of audiences. You can export any of these audiences. Just type in your email, and the server will send you all the details of your audience. Alright, so that's audiences. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, just go to our Facebook group or send an email to support@mobilemonkey.com. Thanks.